Sometimes the default graphics for various elements or items within Revit may not be what you want in terms of color and pattern, and you may want to change this to suit your taste. This is where the particular modifying tool called the override graphics in view really come very handy and useful. This particular tool is found under the modify menu, under the view sub menu. And how this works is to select the particular element you want to change the graphics in your particular view, and then you override it. Take for instance this particular drawing, this side plan. If I want to override the graphics of this particular detail element, I'll click on it and I'll go to override graphics in view. If I click on that particular tool, I'll have override by element, override by category, and then override by filter. So if I choose this particular first one here, I'll be given this particular dialog box, and here I can change different things about this particular element. Now one thing you should know here is that this particular type of override will only affect the particular element that I select. So imagine if I were to change it to halftone and apply it, you can see the particular object has been grayed out, but I don't want to do that, so I'll leave it. I just want to change the color to green to symbolize vegetation. So I'm going to go to projected line, and I'll change it to, let's say, just a very thin line, and then change the color to green, a very bright green, and then apply it. Once you're done, you can OK. If I want it to be, the line to be thicker, I can come to here and still change the line to, let's say, 4, apply. OK. So you can see the line is not thicker than the others. So another way to do this is write over the graphics of this particular item by category. So one way you can do is either you come to the modify menu and you come under the override in graphics, or you just right click on the selected object and come to override graphics in view. So I'll come to by category. This particular option, the element selected will be changed, as well as the other similar elements in the view. So if I come here and I change the color to, let's say, I'll change it to green like I did before, and let's say 4, and then apply it. Okay, here now there seems to be an issue. All the other ones have not been. It is kind of a situation when an object is not, you are not being able to override the graphics of an object using by category. You can reset that, and use the third option. The third option is override graphics in view by filter. So it's going to take you to this dialog box, and you can use this. You can add a filter. You can choose a filter that's already existing, or you can add another one. I can edit new. I can add new one. Use the second. Okay, add it to my list of filter settings, and then from here I can change the line to 4 and the color to this green. You see that? I can also add a pattern of line if I want to, but I don't want to here, so I'm just going to OK it and apply. Okay, you can see the element has been changed. You can see the other detail element, the grass, and there were also other items that were changed because they were found in the same category, like this region, this pattern, this regional pattern was also changed because in the detail item category, just like this particular plants, the trees and the shrubs. So that is how you go about changing the graphics, the overriding graphics in Revit to match what you need for your project. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and let me know what you think in the comment section.